Oh, thank you. You won't try to sell me anything, will you? Course not. Just this cap for only $20. What? Okay, here we are. A new country to visit. I hope I don't get lost. I will have to ask somebody for information. Excuse me, can you help me, please? I'm looking for my hotel. The name is Brentford Hotel. They told me it was near here, but I think I'm a little lost. Oh, sure. Brentford Hotel. I'm sure I have heard that name before. I think it's the one in front of the bank. You just need to walk for another 5 blocks and you'll find the bank there. That hotel must be in front of this bank. Oh, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, here we are. All right, this is the bank, but I don't see any hotel in front of. Oh, okay, that's a hotel, but it's not Brentford. Its name is Belmont. Maybe that man was confused. Anyway, I will have to ask another person. Excuse me, I'm looking for Brentford Hotel. Do you know where I can find it? Oh, hello. Yes, I have the best souvenirs. My store is right across the street. You can find keychains, refrigerator magnets, hats, necklaces, rings, whatever you're looking for, I'm sure to have it. Come with me. I'll show you. No, no, I don't want to buy anything. I just need to find my hotel. It's Brentford. Do you know where it is? Hotel no. I have amazing souvenirs. I have a hat that I am sure you will love. And it's very cheap. For you, only $100. The regular price is 200. Do you want to buy it? No, I don't want to buy. I am looking for my hotel. But if you don't know, that's okay. Thank you anyway. Wait, okay, give me only $70. That's a very cheap hat. It is handmade by the local artisans. And it's also made of very fine material. Don't miss this opportunity. Just give me $70 and the hat will be yours. No, thank you. I don't want a hat. I don't need it. Have a nice day. Okay, only $50. That's it. $50 for the hat. No, thank you. Have a good day. Ah, okay. I will have to ask another person where my hotel is. Excuse me, I'm looking for Brentford Hotel. Can you help me find it, please? I have just arrived and. Hello. Yes, of course. It is not far from here. I can tell you where your hotel is. Finally. Thank you very much. Yes, you could help me a lot. Where is it? It is not far, but I can show you an amazing shirt. You must be a medium. I have all sizes, and they are top quality. I have them in several colors too. No, thank you. The hotel, Brentford. Where is it, please? I have them in blue, yellow, sky blue, black. Oh, and also white. I know white is the best option for you. I'm sure it'll look great on you. And I can give you a discount on the shirt. Come on. No, I don't want any shirt. I just want to get to my hotel and relax because I have been walking all day. Please, can you help me with that? Sure, the shirt costs only $30. But if you take two, you will only pay $50. What do you say? No, thank you. You know what? Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Okay, $15 each shirt. I have them in different colors. Come on, fair price. What is happening here? Where's my hotel? Okay, that man doesn't look like a salesman. I'd better ask him. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I'm looking for my hotel. Its name is Brentford. I have asked a lot of people, but it seems like they are all trying to sell me something. Could you help me? Oh, of course. And excuse them. They just don't know how to sell a product. They think they'll be able to sell something by pressuring tourists. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Really. Do you know where Brentford Hotel is? Sure, I know. It is not far from here. It's just a few blocks from here. In fact, if you want, I can take you there. Oh, really? No, I don't think that's necessary. Just tell me where it is, and I'm sure I can get there easily. Don't worry, I will help you. Let me take you to your hotel. Don't worry, I won't charge you anything. It's for free. Well, I think, but where is it? It is just some blocks from here. Come with me. I will show you all the best tourist spots around. There's a place near here you'll love. It's a magical place. No, I just want to get to my hotel. Yes, Brentford Hotel. We are going there. It is not far from here. And I will show you some amazing places just for free. You just have to give me a small tip at the end of the tour. But it won't be much. Come with me. Let's go. No, thank you. I'll go the other way. Thanks anyway. But the hotel is this way. Come with me. I will show you. I am fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh God, what's wrong with this place? Are all the people here street vendors? Hey, buddy. Hello. Come here. Yes? Are you talking to me? Yes, I am talking to you. Come here. I will tell you something. Oh, no, sir. I don't want to buy anything. Thank you. I am not a seller. I am also a tourist. I arrived last week. Want some advice? Stay away from this place. Oh, I know. What's happening here? A man told you to come this way, right? Yeah, I just asked about my hotel, but it's not around here, and I don't see it nearby. I've asked, but they just want to sell me things I don't need. I know. The same thing happened to me last week. It's strategy, or well, more of a ruse. What? What do you mean? Yeah, they tell you that the place you're looking for is around here, but there are only salespeople pressuring you to sell you anything. These people work with these vendors. They send you here to buy in their stores. It's all a trick to sell you things. The same thing happened to me last week. I was looking for a pharmacy and they sent me here. Oh, I see. And what are you doing here? Well, there are also shops here that sell interesting things. And tomorrow I'll be returning to my country. So I thought I'd buy some souvenirs. I see. I feel so stupid. Don't worry, it's not your fault. And about your hotel, Brentford Hotel is 4 blocks from here. I'll just buy some things and go to my hotel, which is in front of Brentford. You can come with me if you want. Really? Oh, thank you. You won't try to sell me anything, will you? Of course not. Just this cap for only $20. What? I'm just joking. Let's go.